flavors. At home today, we are going to make tomato pulusu. Hope you would love the taste of it. For recipe in Telugu, please follow the link mentioned in description.
In Telugu, pulusu refers to anything that is liquid in state. Tomato pulusu is a simple and easy to digest dish from Andhra. It can also be taken as a soup as it activates our digestive system. The combination of tomato and tamarind makes this pulusu an exciting one to taste. Antioxidants present in tomatoes reduce the risk of heart disease and cancer. Tomatoes are low in carbohydrates and rich in vitamin C, potassium, folate and vitamin K. Tomatoes are considered beneficial for skin health as they may protect against sunburns. Let's see the ingredients. Tomatoes 1 kg, salt 3 to 3.5 teaspoons, turmeric powder half teaspoon, onions 1.5 cup chop into small pieces just before adding, ginger 1.5 inch finely grated, green chilies 8 cut into half and slit till half length, tamarind pulp of small lemon sized tamarind, coriander leaves medium sized bunch finely chopped, sambar powder 1.5 tablespoons, gram flour 3 tablespoons, oil 2 tablespoons, mustard seeds 1 tablespoon, cumin seeds 1 tablespoon, asafoetida half teaspoon, red chilies 5, curry leaves few. Take 1.5 liters water in a deep pan on stove at high flame. Once water starts boiling, add tomatoes. Add salt and turmeric powder. Let them boil. Let's check whether the tomatoes are boiled or not. Once the tomatoes are soft, take them in a plate with perforated ladle. Do not throw the water, we can use it later. Switch off stove and let them cool. Grind the tomatoes into puree without adding water. Chop the onions into small pieces. Heat the tomatoes boiled water on stove at high flame. Add tomato puree. Add chopped onions. Add tamarind pulp, green chilies, ginger and coriander leaves. Mix well and let it boil. Keep boiling at high flame for 10 minutes. Keep stirring at regular intervals. Add sambar powder. Mix well and boil for 5 minutes. Take gram flour in a small bowl and add little water. Mix it well with a spoon so that there are no lumps. Add water if required to make it into a thin slurry. Add this to tomato pulusu. Immediately stir with a ladle to avoid lumps. Let it boil for 5 minutes, then switch off stove. Place a small ladle on stove for tempering at low flame. Add oil. Once oil is hot, add mustard seeds, cumin seeds, pieces of 5 red chillies and asafoetida. Mix once and fry till mustard seeds crackle. Add curry leaves. Mix well and fry for a minute. Switch off stove and pour this tempering on tomato pulusu. Mix well. That's all. Tangy and mouth-watering tomato pulusu is ready to serve. Serve it hot with 1 spoon oil mixed in steamed rice and with papad or fryams as an accompaniment.
So, we have seen how easy it is to make tomato pulusu at home. You try it once and let me know how it is in the comment section below. If you like this recipe, press like, share among your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for visiting The Savory Flavors. Okay, bye for now. See you soon with another interesting dish.